与朋友制定计划的有用短语。
What are you doing this weekend? Would you like to hang out this weekend? Let's meet up for coffee. How about we go to the movies? Let's plan a dinner together. Do you want to go for a walk in the park? Let's go to the beach this weekend. How about a picnic in the park? Let's go shopping together. Do you want to come over for dinner? Let's go to the gym together. How about a bike ride? Let's go to a concert this weekend. Do you want to go to the museum? Let's have a game night. How about a road trip? Let's go hiking this weekend. Do you want to come over for a movie night? Let's go to the farmer's market. How about a day at the spa? That sounds great. I'd love to. Count me in. I'm free that day. I'm sorry, but I'm busy that day. I'd love to, but I have other plans. Maybe another time? What time works best for you? What do you want to do?